Okay, so somehow, guys, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to be able to do this two-handed. So I'm going to do this one-handed, apparently. We're stuffing the chicken breast with the wonderful mixture that we have here. The broccoli, the onion, the Monterey Asiago cheddar jack cheese. We're going to just stuff that real quick. Okay. So, we're going to... I really don't know how... I'm sorry, I didn't show a very good video of that. So, here we go. So, here's this. Ready? Okay. So, we're gonna just kind of fold it over. And then what I'm going to do... I should probably be using my left hand because that's my dominant hand. What we're gonna do is take this. This is first attempt, guys. This is first attempt. I'm gonna stick it in here. Circle it around. Excuse me. I'm not even looking at that video. I'm looking at the fucking bowl. Stupid, right? Alright, then we're going to put it in there, okay? Let's wash the hands real quick. I understand, I'm going to have to wash this. I get it. Alright, hold on. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. Dry my hand a little bit. Let's switch hands real quick. I might be able to do this a little better. Alright, so wait, just kind of try really hard to hold it together. I don't know if that's gonna work, to be honest, guys. And we're gonna double dip it. We're gonna double dredge. One more time. One more time. One more time. Alright. Alright. Alright, so we got that one ready. Alright, so there's one ready. Gosh, we're gonna have to do a little bit more work on that one, a little bit probably. But that one's ready. We'll be back soon.